Hello, now we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 11.2. So, look at the statement of question number 7. Triangle ABCs are right angled at A. So, ABC is a triangle and here angle A is a right angled. And AD is perpendicular to BC. So, here AD, D point is this, AD is perpendicular to BC. This is also given. If AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 13 centimeter and AC is 12 centimeter, then find the area. What we have to find? Find the area of triangle ABC and length of AD. We have to find these 2 points. So let's start with its solution. We know firstly area of triangle ABC is what? According to formula, this is half into base into height. So half into base and height. Now we have 2 base and 2 height in this triangle. So this is also a base for this perpendicular. तो ये height हमें given नहीं है, so we'll not take this. We are unable to solve the area of this triangle now. If we take this as a base, means AB as a base, then height becomes this one, AC या CA. So which is equal to half into AB is what? That is 5 centimeter and CA is what? That is 12 centimeter. So make it cutting, this becomes 6 and 5 6 are 30 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 30 centimeter square. Now we have to find the AD find out करनी है, that is the second part. So same way area of triangle ABC is same, half into base into height. Now for this we have given, we already calculate the area is 30 centimeter square and half into base. Now base we will take BC now because we find this height AD. So height is AD. So 30 into 2 centimeter square is equal to BC. BC is what? That is 13 centimeter. And for calculating the AD we will just interchange the values upon 13 centimeter. If cutting is possible तो कर दो, otherwise just cutting is not possible. 32 जा 60 by 13 और ये 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर से कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो ओनली इन सेंटीमीटर. So AD is 60 by 13 centimeter. So this is the length of AD. Hope you understand this question. Thank you. And now move to next question number 8.